Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Don't you guys like how I start that off with any video? Doesn't matter if it's a voiceover or not. Alright, so today I'm going to be bringing you guys an eye tutorial. Hopefully you guys like it. Let me know if any feedback in the comments. Like, subscribe, and comment on this video. And, let's get started. Alright, so I'm just starting off with combing my brows upward. You can use any spoolie from this. I'm just using this spoolie on a brow pencil that I'm going to use. Then I'm going to go in with my Bravo Brow Conditioner from Benefits. And I'm just going to put a little bit of products in my brows. It's supposed to help with growing your brows. I mean, I wouldn't know. I don't have that religious use of it on there, only when I do my brows. So if you guys want something that will help you grow your brows, then this might be it. I'm not too sure. Alright, so next we going in with the Foolproof Brow Powder from Benefit. And first it comes with a little applicator, and I always make sure I clean it off really quick with my hand. And I'm starting off by using it on the lightest color in the front of my brows and just putting a little bit of product down just to give it a little bit more color and makes it look a little more natural. And of course I'm doing the other thing on the other side, doing the same thing on the other side. Alright, so now I'm starting with the darker color and I'm putting it at the tail of my brows and just combing it in the same way I just combed the front end with that same little applicator. Alright, now I'm going in with the Anastasia Brow Wiz in Ebony. And I'm just going to do small, like, hair strokes in the front of my brows. So in the front of my brows, I have literally probably very, very little hair there. So I always try to make it look as natural as possible. So I'm starting with a lighter color and a ashier color to make it look more natural. And I'm just making little hair strokes at the front of my brow because, again, I don't really have any hair there. Alright, still combing it through. Alright, so next I'm going to go in with the Precisely My Brow, and this is in the shade 5. And I am just going to make a long stroke basically at the end of my brows for the shape of it. Alright, I take my time with this. I mean, even though we are going to clean this up, I usually still always take my time just so when I clean it up, it'll still line up. And again, doing it on the other side. So you want to start about a fourth way into your brow or maybe halfway into your brow. Alright, now I line the top. So again, I be very careful because usually I don't put any concealer on the top of my brow, because if you put the same concealer that you highlight with, it will create a halo effect, and we don't want our brows to be shining in pictures. And I bring that forward, again, a fourth way into the brow. That's where you want to start. You don't want to start at the very beginning of the brow, because then that's going to look too harsh. And it'll give you basically like a box effect. And no. And again, I'll create just a little bit of brow strokes in there. I mean hair-like strokes in there, just to make sure, again, it looks natural. Alright, now we're going to clean up the brows. I'm going to use the NARS concealer, the Soft Matte Complete Concealer, and I'm using the shade Caramel. And I'm just going to clean that brow up. And I don't know the name of that brush at the moment. I will leave it down in the description box. I know it is a Morphe brush though. So you just want to use basically a flat concealer brush to do this. Just make sure you're doing small strokes and keep your lines all good with the concealer, and I always blend it out. And doing the same thing on the other brow. All right, next I'm going in with the Ready Set. I believe it's a Benefit setting, brow setting gel. And I'm just combing my hairs up just so they can stay in place, because honestly I have no brows, and that's why I always comb them up, so the length of where my brows start always has enough, and I'm making sure they're set. All right, so that is the end of this very short and very fast brow tutorial. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment on this video. Let me know what brow products you use. Also, don't forget to enter into my giveaway, which the code word would be, let's see, brow. Yep, you got it. So for the giveaway, check the description box if you want to know more about it. If you made it to the end of this video and you're thinking, what giveaway the hell is she talking about? All right, guys. Well, talk to you guys soon. Bye-bye.